You guys remember the Book It program? It's where you had to read a bunch of books, whatever your teacher set your goal as. And once you accomplish your goal, you got a tiny little personal pan pizza from Pizza Hut, but we all worked really hard to get it. I thought I'd give my daughters a taste of that. So they're reading, but we're gonna be making personal pan pizzas on bagels tonight. Let's get it. I'm gonna make them read a little bit longer while I get these Royo bagels cut in half. And yes, it's a really big knife. I use it for brisket, but it also cuts bread really well. Be careful when slicing bread and don't cut your hand. Right, Nick? Who wants to make theirs first? All right, pick your bagel.
This one.
This one? Okay. First, you're gonna put sauce. Oh, that's on there tight.
Go get the can thing.
I may have to. It's more manly if I do it on camera. There we go. I got it. Whew, it about whipped me. All right, you're just gonna get the spoon, take some sauce, put it on your top, around the edges, and spread it in.
Okay.
Just kind of put it just like you did the other. Are you scared of making a mess?
Yeah. I don't want it to go down in the
It's
middle.
fine.
I love cheese.
Cheese.
It's so good.
And then you want some olives?
Daddy. I need.
You want more cans of olives?
Yes. Chazzy. Daddy, where's my olives? Chazzy. That's the good stuff. I think it's
Okay,
spicy.
a little more cheese on top
No. I like the
to
olives.
hold them all
You
together.
gotta secure the olives.
Are you going all out?
I'm going all out. You know I do.
Of course.
You got it in that book and want some more of it.
I want
She
my
says she
book.
hates reading, but once she gets in them, she really likes it.
I like reading.
This one loves reading. A whole olive? That doesn't belong on my pizza.
No, give it to me.
Already ate it.
Aww.
Too bad. Tant pis pour vous, madame. Ran out of shredded cheese, but I bought these mozzarella snacks. They're fresh mozzarella pearls. Should be delicious.
I want some.
You could definitely make these in the oven, but I've got a fancy pizza oven, so why not use that? We just load it up, start them spinning, and let them cook.
A few moments later.
Once they're done cooking, we just need to unload them onto the cutting board held by my beautiful assistant. We're gonna get a nice close flyover so you can see that melty cheese and the crisp pepperonis. I think they turned out pretty perfect. What do you think?
I agree. I think it's time for that first bite.
All right. Yeah, I'm definitely making these again.
Let's eat, y'all.